In this exciting new series, SuiteTrails invites you on an immersive journey through the enchanting town of Tropea, Italy. Prepare to discover 7 must-see attractions and hidden gems that promise unforgettable experiences. Join us as we explore the rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking beauty of Tropea, making your visit truly memorable.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
A hands-on culinary experience in Tropea's Hilson. Tropea's picturesque countryside, an engaging culinary adventure awaits visitors. This experiential event is tailored to create a memorable and enjoyable atmosphere for everyone involved. The program focuses on authentic Italian cuisine, emphasizing traditional dishes that can be replicated at home. Led by a skilled rural chef, participants will learn the art of cooking from scratch, enhancing their skills while enjoying the company of fellow enthusiasts. This immersive experience offers more than just tasting. It fosters connections among guests through shared meals, drinks, and lively conversations. Depart from the port of Tropea and commence your voyage along the picturesque coastlines of Calabria. Upon arrival beneath the church sanctuary of St. Mary dell'Isola di Tropea, take note of its architectural beauty. Constructed atop a cliff overlooking the shimmering azure sea. Next, visit the renowned Blue Grotto, known for its crystal clear waters. Proceed to Formicoli Beach, a site historically significant as the former location of an ancient Roman port. Here, donning the snorkeling equipment provided by your tour guide, embark upon an exploration into the vibrant marine environment below. Upon reaching the promontory of Capo Vaticano, marvel at the lighthouse situated on this narrow strip of land. Embark upon a captivating voyage to the enchanting Aeolian Islands. Beginning your journey from Tropea aboard a serene vessel as you sail towards Panaria, capture the breathtaking vistas of the open sea. Upon disembarking in San Pietro, immerse yourself in the historical heart of this picturesque island, exploring its cobblestone streets teeming with shops and eateries. Venture into the ancient alleys of Capo Maltese, where you'll find a fascinating prehistoric village, or visit the renowned Cala Giunco Beach, both within easy reach after a short taxi ride. For those seeking further exploration, arrange an additional excursion to the unpopulated coves and isles of the Aeolian archipelago. A rich tradition of love and passion for the ocean has been shared with our guests over the years, offering them an unparalleled array of maritime experience. Our team ensures that each day presents its unique charms, whether exploring the breathtaking stretches of coastline or venturing into secluded coves teeming with marine life. Our dinghy, equipped with skilled captains and seasoned sailors, takes you through the Costa degli Dei, traversing the picturesque waters off the coast of Tropea and Capo Vaticano. With a focus on providing a safe and memorable journey, these experienced navigators bring their warmth and expertise to enhance your voyage's ambience. Embark on an enriching day trip from Tropea to the UNESCO World Heritage-listed Aeolian Island, set off from the port of Tropea aboard a guided vessel cruising across the Tyrrhenian Sea for approximately 2 hours. Upon reaching the Aeolian Islands, make your way towards Stromboli, where you will explore the traditional village of San Vincenzo, characterized by its whitewashed houses and Aeolian architectural elements. Embark on a unique journey into the heart of Italy's southernmost region, where you will immerse yourself in the rich traditions of traditional rural life and culinary delights. Nestled amidst the picturesque landscapes of the hills above Tropea, this experiential adventure offers a profound connection to the land and its people. Delve deep into the essence of Calabria's distinct agricultural practices, witnessing firsthand the meticulous processes involved in producing and preparing locally sourced foods. Engage in a hands-on cooking workshop at a nearby farm, guided by experienced chefs who will teach you the art of making fresh pasta from scratch. On this tour, commence your journey from Tropea in the early afternoon, embarking on a scenic drive that culminates with breathtaking vistas over the stunning volcanic cone of Stromboli. Witness the vibrant hues of the setting sun as you traverse the landscape, savoring the refreshing sea breeze along the way. Throughout the duration of the excursion, maintain an eagle's eye on the panoramic views, eagerly anticipating the chance to spot dolphins frolicking alongside your vessel during peak seasons.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.